Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover deleted messages on Facebook. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Facebook application. Once you open Facebook, you simply need to click on three bars in the top right. And here you need to click on settings and privacy. You need to first scroll and click on settings and privacy, and then you need to click on settings. And once you are in settings, you simply need to scroll and you will find the option of download your information. Click on that option, and here you need to deselect all, and then here you can see that message you have exchanged with other people on Messenger. Click on that option and scroll down, and here you can select the format and media quality, and then you need to click on create file. So now it is creating file, and here you can see that your all messages will be copy of your messages will be sent to your email address. So this is the process by which you can recover deleted messages on Facebook. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.